Alright guys, I'm working on a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica 3.6 Touring L. I was changing the alternator out because the bearing was out. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me turn it around. And yeah, right there, that's the new alternator. And to remove the alternator, you have to pull the pulley, which I broke, the tensioner pulley. And to get to that, it's really hard. Tensioner pulley is right there. That one right there, and there's a bolt in there, right there. It's a 5/8, and you can see how much space you have right there. And I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Let me show you this to see, so you guys can see. Sorry about the camera. Okay guys, right there, I don't know if you guys can see, there's not enough space for a ratchet to get in there. And just look, not even my finger fits in there. So what I did, I got a piece of flat bar. I got a piece of angle iron, and I welded the 5/8 to there. So that it will fit right in here, guys. Let me show you guys. It fits right in there, and then you can crank it over. But you need a welder, or if you have a buddy that's a welder that can help you weld this right here. It's 5/8, just attached to a piece of angle iron about 1 foot long. You know what, to take that pulley out, because man, it's really hard. It's a tight spot. So that pulley broke. This is the pulley that it broke. New part right here, guys. The new pulley that I ordered from O'Reilly's. It's a Gates pulley, I believe so. Part number 39342, made in Canada, and this is for a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. There you go. There's the new pulley right here. This is the part that broke off. As you guys can tell, it broke in almost half, I guess. And this is the bolt that we're trying to get out of there that is so tight. So once we pull that bolt out, the whole thing should come out. And you guys can see it has a little slot in there. I guess it goes in there, and then you put the bolt, and then you have a brand new pulley. I'll show you guys when I have the new pulley installed in there, so you guys can see. It's a 3.6 motor. In order to do that, I had to take the coolant fluid. I had to drain it, and I had to remove all of this. There's a bar that goes in here, and that's what I removed. The coolant lines, and I had to take the tire off right here, guys, so you can see that I drained my lines, because you have to remove the antifreeze, the coolant out of there. Once you guys get it loose, you guys have to just turn it by hand, because it's really hard. So you have to turn it by hand until the bolt comes out.